Hi, Canada. Market Moments are back. Remember when we asked you for ideas on how to say thanks? Well, guess what? We made some of them happen. Just watch. Would you like some coffee?
Sure.
Hello, good morning. Would you like to try the juice?
Guess what, guys? This is your moment! Congratulations, your groceries are on us.
Oh my God, thank you so much.
Yeah. I'm gonna give you this roast for free on us today.
These cold cuts are on us today.
What? Why are you doing that?
These moments and more are happening in store right now. So come in and see how we're saying thanks.
Awesome, we'll be back 4 times a week like usual.
You can make my moment anytime.
You guys are the best. This is our favorite store.
Say thank you. Thank you.
No problem.